life, not hating the snooze. No map, no script, just open skies, campfire stories and starry nights. Cause time won't wait and trails don't last, so we're living live and driving fast. Bucket list overland, wheels in the
Alright, this is where we're going.
adventure we trust. Climbing high, digging deep, taking that stand. One life to live, let's roam this land. Yeah, yeah.
Left a really nice campground, kind of maybe half hour on the highway to Telluride. We're going to go off-road and take Ophir Pass into Silverton is our plan. Hopefully have lunch, maybe go see a mine, which will be cool, and then kind of reassess where we're at and what we're gonna do, so we can kind of start out on that alpine loop.
Just a plan, so let's make it epic while we can. Bucket list overland, wheels in the dust, trail by trail and adventure we trust. Climbing high, digging deep, taking that stand. One life to live, let's roam this land. Yeah, yeah. Come on now. Bucket list overland. We don't know how much time we've got, so we're gonna live each day like it's not a lot. Engine humming, hearts wide open, every trail's a promise spoken. Bucket list overland, wheels in the dust, trail by trail and adventure we trust. Climbing high, digging deep, taking that stand. One life to live, let's roam this land. Yeah, bucket list overland. Yeah, let's ride it out while we still can.
They cut that road in 1870. Silver in the hills and men chasing destiny. Pick and shovel, blasting powder light, carving through the San Juan spine. Between Silverton and Telluride, a lifeline through the mountain divide. Wagons grown and mules tied tight, climbing 14,000 feet of sky. From the Howard Fork to Mineral Creek, through shale that slides beneath your feet. History etched in every bend, you can still feel where it all began. Over Ophir Pass, where the air is thin, where the ghosts of miners still ride the wind. Red rock scree and a narrow ledge, one wrong turn and you're off the edge. But we keep climbing, tires on stone, four-low humming, far from home. From boomtown dreams to cold by four tracks, we're chasing freedom over Ophir Pass. They called it Ophir for the land of gold. Biblical riches, or so we're told. A mining camp in 1874. High and small, but it wanted more. Snowbound winters, avalanche roar, families carved out a life hardcore. Now it's quiet streets and a few front doors, with mountains guarding like they did before. The town still rests in the valley floor, weathered wood and an old tin door. Not a ghost, just a slower beat, where history and high country meet. Over Ophir Pass, where the air is thin, where the ghosts of miners still ride the wind. Loose rock shifting under steel, every driver knows the deal. Hands on the wheel, eyes on the line, shelf road cut in mountainside. From wagon ruts to modern tracks, we're crawling steady over Ophir Pass. summit sign. Alpine tundra, sky so wide. Wildflowers bloom where the old carts roll. Now it's lockers, lift kits, stories told. Switchbacks carved in shattered slate. Patience matters more than horsepower or weight. It's not about speed, it's about the climb. Respect the mountain, take your time. You can hear the diesel echo back across a century. A pickaxe cracks from dynamite to differential gears. Same thin air, same quiet fear. Over Ophir Pass we rise and fall through mining scars and waterfalls. From Telluride's edge to Silverton's door, we're riding history like those before. In lifted rigs where the wagons roll, trading silver dreams for mountain gold. Every turn pulls us back to that narrow shelf on Ophir Pass.
Noted. Starting the Ophir Pass and descent.
For a second, and something banging is really pissing me off.
Okay. Roadside repair. Looks like the brackets of the truck wreck, one of them broke and the other is fine. So we're going to try to limp it down to Silverton, or at least to the bottom of this pass, and then reassess what the plan is.
Really heavy duty, and they are currently under a fair amount of tension, actually. I was thinking they actually might start bending the metal that they're hooked into.
Gotcha. Well, I will keep an eye on all of it the best I can. I just can't be that close to you because it's really hard to see and it's dusty.
snooze. No map, no script, just open skies, campfire stories and starry nights. Cause time won't wait and trails don't last, so we're living loud and driving fast. Bucket list overland, wheels in the dust, trail by trail and adventure we trust. Climbing high, digging deep, taking that stand. One life to live, let's roam this land. Yeah, yeah, bucket list overland. Rock crawls, riverbeds, forest turns.